Hey guys!
Today we're going to do an unboxing of our new phone which we got today. It's the Samsung Galaxy M01. Here it's written M01 and here back is nothing, and over here it's the phone.
And this is the black version.
This is the black color of it, and we're going to unbox it now.
Yeah. Okay, so let's unbox it. Whoa.
Oh my god.
Amazing packaging. Whoa, there is our phone. Look, guys, as you can see. First, let's check what is in this box.
It's a quick start guide, regional lock guide, and the warranty card. We'll look at that later.
Yeah.
Is it iPhone?
No, it's a Samsung.
No, iPhone.
No, it's Samsung. Okay.
Better than iPhone.
Yeah.
And here's the charger of it. Wow, amazing. And our parents bought this for us.
Diwali gift.
Okay, can I remove this?
Whoa, amazing. Now let's try to put on the phone cover on.
The phone cover and the tempered glass.
Have you put it upside down?
No. Oh yeah. Wow.
Okay, it's starting.
Waiting for the start.
Let's go. Okay.
How to go, Mama?
Let's go. How to go, Mama? Hey, give it to your dada. They'll show you.
Shambhavi said phone.
I know.
It's showing accessibility now. That was the unboxing of the Samsung M01, and yeah, and I like it a lot.
Yeah. The black version, 3 GB. And yeah.
Happy.
Yeah, we are very happy.
Bye.
Bye.
Their first new phone.
Yes,
It's their
their
first new phone.
new phone. Boys, happy Diwali.
Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali na.
Diwali gift 3 months in advance.
How to on, Dada?